With 5.2, I am actually not going to do any examples from the book, but there is some guidance that I want to impart on you. So, one thing about them, if it is continuing to change at a constant rate, that means that we are going to have a straight line on our graph. That generally means that we will have a diagonal line. In fact, it does mean we should have a diagonal line, because as one value increases, the other value should either be increasing or decreasing consistently. So if it is a horizontal line or a vertical line, that tells us that the proportion is not direct. If it is a diagonal line and it does not start at the point 0, 0, it is not going to be proportionate. Think about it this way. If you bought 0 containers of strawberries and they were $2 per pound, your cost would be 0. That would then change as you went up. If it was, in the example of something constant, where no matter how many strawberries you bought, it was always going to cost you $50, that again is not directly proportionate. Those rates are not working at the same level. So, looking for a graph that starts at 0, 0, that includes with ones that you put on the graph as well, and you are looking for a diagonal graph which shows a constant climb, meaning that it will be a straight line. Now, when I say constant climb, that doesn't mean that it couldn't go down depending on what your data is, but it means that it is consistently moving in a certain direction. Go ahead and try some on 5.2. Like I said before with 5.1, a lot of this is stuff you have been doing for quite a while. You just didn't necessarily have the vocabulary to go with it. So take a look at that. Use the PDF that is also on your Google Classroom if you need to, and let me know if you have any questions.